Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another Cuda's Diecast Customs video. So, guys, for today, it's a very simple one. We have another, in the last week, we have another wheeling and dealing video. But today, it is with our good friend over at Diecast Pirate. Before I start anything, guys, make sure to go check him out. His link will be in the bottom of this video. So make sure to go check my man out and give him a follow. Alright, guys, let's get started. So, pretty much he was wondering if I was interested in anything. So I told him, of course, I'm always interested in things. So I traded him what was the deal? And Diecast Pirate, I'm completely sorry, I forget what we were discussing. I wanted a Vista Cruiser and a couple Oldsmobile castings. Hopefully that is what I got here. I believe I did. I'm excited to see him. But what I traded him was... What did I trade him? Oh, that's right. I gave him a lot of cars that he wanted. So I think he's going to post a video soon about that. So make sure to go check that out. That's right. I gave him a load of cars that I thought it would be pretty cool for him to use. So he sent over some stuff that I think I could use. So let's jump into it, guys. So I got a bag here right now. We got a Hot Wheels GMC motorhome. It's nice. Surprised the last section in good condition there. We got a Hot Wheels, looks like a drag concept car. It's pretty sweet. Oh, needed one of these. We have a Hot Wheels MFG for, looks like a McDonald's toy car. That's cool. I actually needed one of these for a project. Ooh, we got a Matchbox here. I think Cuda was never seen this casting before. Oh, the hood does it. Sweet. It's a Matchbox Volkswagen Golf GTI. That's pretty sweet. There's something cool with that. I like Matchboxes. Matchboxes are cool. Got a Hot Wheels Royal Flash. Nice condition. Tampa's coming off. Paint's a little worn, but nothing wrong with that. Alright, what do we got next here? A no-name Chinese car. But I think it's supposed to represent a Pontiac. I think that's a Fiero. Might be wrong about that, but that's okay. What else we got in this bag? We got a Matchbox Dodge Daytona Turbo Z. I was looking at one of these, trying to get these for a first car, but could never find one with a motor that wasn't blown. So, fun fact. So what we got next is Hot Wheels. It was made from Hong Kong, a human torch. It's pretty sweet, drag car. We'll restore this. Maybe get the tampos for it. Maybe not. We'll see. Might make it a personal one. We got an airport rescue from Hot Wheels from Hong Kong. Oh my god, the car's still on the ground. I've never seen one of these before. That's pretty sweet. We got a Rockbuster from Hot Wheels. It's pretty sweet. Nice condition. We got a... Ooh, I had one of these, but it was crushed. A Toyota MR2 from Matchbox. Made him a cow. Look at that. It's in good condition, too. A couple of other things in here in the bag. Two more. Okay, we got this plastic base. It is a Space Racer from Hot Wheels. Very nice. And we got a Hot Wheels. I guess it gets futuristic car. This pops up and it gets into the interior. It's different. It's cool. Paint's nice on it. Push these off to the side. there's a lot more in this box than I thought. So I'm pretty excited about this. So we got some cars at the bottom here. God. It looks like a 69 Dodge Charger 500. That's pretty cool. Could always use another one of those. A circle track race car. Very nice. And ooh, a new release. A 67 Ford GT40. That's nice. I have one of these, but I could always use another one. I can customize that one then. And then there's a big old Gas Lights Hollywood. This is sweet, eh? It is. Look at this. Last of the V8 Interceptors. So I'm guessing Mad Max. It's pretty sweet. It comes with this truck, and it comes with the Mad Max car. Don't have that. This is definitely going to the collection. That's sweet. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Alright, let's go on to a box. We're going to go on to this little box. Oh, wow, this is full of cars. Okay, wasn't expecting this. Ooh, it's different. A Hot Wheels 1974. It's a military tank. It's got guns. It's pretty cool. Hot Wheels van. The hood opens. It's a plastic hood. It's pretty cool. Very nice. Looking at another Hot Wheels, a Cadillac. I kind of want to do a custom of this. Look cool. Oh, an 82 Supra. Can never go wrong with a Supra. Especially from Hot Wheels. Ooh, futuristic car from Hot Wheels. Maybe we could use that motor for parts. Been needing parts for a Duesenberg, actually, a doozy. So finally can finish that project of mine. It's awesome. This is got another Hot Wheels Arbor. That's very different. I could do a no rod to hot rod with one of those. Pretty sweet. Nice. Got a Formula pack from Hot Wheels. Very cool. Oh, garbage truck. Yes, you heard me. The trash truck from Hot Wheels. Is anything open? That's cool. Different. Don't have any of those. It's a Corvette. Got a couple of Corvettes. I haven't done a Corvette like this in a while. Very nice. Corvette Stinger. And we got another Corvette Stinger. Looking very nice. Oh, cool. Thunder Roller. We got two of these. There's another one. Very nice condition. And man, thank you again for all this. This is more than what I expected. We have a Matchbox. Let's say right there. Oh, I think. But it's a Matchbox truck. It's cool. And like I said, we have another truck in there. It's pretty sweet. Pack this up real quick. I don't know how you did it, man, but I'm just gonna shove them all back in here until I can find them a home. These are cool, man. I don't got a lot of the old stuff, and I'm actually very grateful that you sent me some of this old stuff, because I like it. I like this old stuff. This stuff's cool. Alright, we're gonna move on to the next box. Alright. Second to last box, guys. Don't worry. Second to last box. Oh, thank gosh. What do we got here? We got a 75 Hong Kong drag car. It's pretty sweet. Ooh, parts are missing, but that's okay. This is a Bugatti. So that's sweet. I have a couple of those. Not really Bugattis. What the heck? This looks like Spider-Man? Spider-Man car. That's pretty cool. Okay, we have Peterbilt truck, California company. It's pretty cool. That's pretty heavy, actually. We got another one of these, Hot Wheels Mattel. I have one of these right here, so that's pretty cool. This is a metal base. These are both metal bases, but got two now. It's awesome. We have Hot Wheels Old Number 5. That's pretty sweet. Haven't done a fire truck yet, but I would love to. Hot Wheels Hong Kong Fire Eater. That's pretty sweet. Love a good fire truck. Wow. Hot Wheels Super Fast Red Rider. Guys, this is sweet. Look at this. If anyone knows where I can get an engine for one of these, please let me know, because I do not want to put a fake one on there. I want to put the real deal on there. It's awesome. Austin Martin. Pretty cool. I haven't done something like this. Pretty awesome. Ferrari, right? Yep, Ferrari 383 GTS. No glass, but we can make something. It's awesome. Magnum PI vibes. We have Hot Wheels Formula 5000. Awesome. And last but not least, we have a Hot Wheels, and then it's just a pickup truck. Take that front end off, repaint it, make it cool. Cool. And we got one more little box here, so we're gonna open that up right now and see what we got. Put the big stuff in the bottom. Very impressive, again, dude, how you boxed all this up. Tight fit, but it will work. Very nice. In our last box. It said open last on this, so I listened. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. A Hot Wheels 1969. This is the real. This is what the trade was about. Was this and a couple other things. You know, all these cars really. These are awesome. Thanks, man. Very nice. The Oldsmobile. Oh, a red line, another one. Where's that one? I wanted this car, so I had backup pieces. So when I do this car, it'll be good. So I'm thinking maybe use. I don't know yet. Maybe we'll see. I don't know yet. And there's one more thing in here, so let's check that out. Ooh, Vista Cruiser, Shaggin' Wagon. This is my vibe right here. It's from Matchbox. Very nice. I love this color. Definitely gonna do a restoration on this. All right, guys. So that is the end of our unboxing today. I wanted to thank my good friend Diecast Pirate for everything. It's awesome, man, and I appreciate all of it. I'm going to cherish all of these goodies and use them wisely. Dude, guys, if you guys want to do some wheeling and dealing, just let me know. I am always up to trade and figure out different things. So if you want to, just let me know. You can send me a message down in the comments, and then we can start talking over email. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Just as a reminder, if you're in the Massachusetts area and you're a hobbyist, make sure to go check out our good friend Mike Gordon and Kim Miller over at Turn 4 Hobbytown. We make your free time awesome.